2025 isn't just another year, it's a turning point in how we work, create, and think. AI has officially moved from being a futuristic buzzword to a practical tool that anyone can use. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or someone just looking to improve their daily life, using AI in 2025 is no longer optional, it's essential. In this video, we'll break down why AI matters now more than ever, how it can change your productivity, boost your creativity, help you make money, and give you a competitive edge in any field. Let's start with the most obvious benefit: productivity. AI tools in 2025 can do the work of multiple people in minutes. From writing scripts, blog posts, and emails to summarizing documents, analyzing data, and generating reports, AI drastically reduces the time it takes to complete everyday tasks. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Claude are helping people get things done faster than ever. If you're still doing everything manually, you're falling behind. AI lets you work smarter, not harder. But it's not just about getting things done, it's about how you create. AI is a creative superpower. Need to design a logo? Use MidJourney. Need a voiceover for your video? Try 11 Labs. Want to write a song, make a video, or create stunning visuals? There's an AI tool for that. You don't need to be an expert designer, musician, or editor anymore. AI helps you turn your ideas into finished projects faster and cheaper than ever before. It's not replacing your creativity, it's amplifying it. Now, let's talk business. If you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, AI is your best friend in 2025. You can automate social media posts, generate content for marketing, write product descriptions, respond to customer messages, and even build basic websites or apps using no-code AI tools. What used to take an entire team can now be done by one person using smart tools. This means more profit, faster scaling, and lower costs. Whether you're running a YouTube channel, dropshipping store, or digital agency, AI is a game changer. Another massive reason to use AI now is the ability to make smarter decisions. AI can analyze market trends, customer feedback, SEO data, and more instantly. It takes the guesswork out of your strategy. You no longer have to rely solely on gut instinct. With tools like ChatGPT, you can run competitive analysis, generate ideas for growth, and simulate decisions before making them. This is especially powerful for small businesses and solo creators who don't have the budget for full research teams. And let's be real, AI is giving people a competitive edge. Those who know how to use AI tools are running laps around those who don't. Think about it. If your competition can produce content 5 times faster, reach customers quicker, and operate at a fraction of your cost, who do you think is going to win? In 2025, it is not about AI replacing people, it's about people using AI outpacing those who don't. It's like the calculator for the digital age. Refusing to use it is just holding yourself back. But here's the good news: AI is more accessible than ever. You don't need to be a coder or a tech wizard. Most tools now use simple prompts, drag and drop editors, or even voice commands. Anyone with a phone or laptop can start using AI right now. Many of the best tools are free or have low-cost plans. And with the growing ecosystem of AI tools for every niche, writing, coding, marketing, art, you're bound to find something that works for you. Let's not forget the money side. In 2025, AI is opening up new income streams like never before. You can build fully automated YouTube channels, create faceless content, run affiliate sites, flip AI-generated digital products, and offer AI-powered services to clients. People are using AI to start side hustles, scale their businesses, and even launch startups, all without needing big investments. This is a rare moment in history where regular people can build serious income with just creativity and the right tools. AI is also becoming your personal assistant in every area of life. Want help organizing your week? Ask AI. Want help studying for an exam? I will quiz you. Need recipes, travel plans, or book summaries? AI has your back. It's like having an expert in your pocket, 24/7. The sooner you start using it, the more natural and useful it becomes. So why should you start using AI in 2025? Because the world is moving forward. With or without you, AI isn't coming in the future, It's already here, and it's already changing everything. If you want to stay competitive, get ahead, and make the most of your time and talents. The time to embrace AI is now. Don't wait for everyone else to master it. Start experimenting, learning, and building with it today, because in a year from now, you'll wish you started in 2025.